Circle, circle, nice and round, like the sun that shines so bright in the sky and all around. Rolls and spins without a sigh, a happy shape we can't hide. Shapes are fun, come sing along. Learn with us, it won't take long. Point and see, they're all around, in the sky, the floor, and on the ground. Square, square, four sides the same, like a box or a picture frame. Neat and strong with corners tight, a shape that's always just right. Triangle, triangle, three sides there, like a slice of pizza or a sail in the air. 1, 2, 3, count with me, a pointy shape for you and me. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide, like a door or a bus we ride. 2 long sides and 2 are short, find a rectangle at the fort. Oval, oval, stretched out round, like an egg that's lying down. Smooth and soft, it's fun to see, a gentle shape for you and me. Star, star, shining bright, twinkling in the sky at night. 5 sharp points and sparkling glow, wishing on it as it glows. Shapes are fun, come sing along. Learn with us, it won't take long. Point and see, they're all around, in the sky, the floor, and on the ground.